Victoria University, we emphasize hands-on teaching, and therefore we cannot only, as agriculturalists, we cannot only sit in class. We need to move to the field and really test and see what real farmers are doing in the field. We teach from Monday to Tuesday, then Thursday, Friday, and then at times Saturday. Now what we always do, after theory we come to practical. So this course unit is about animal agriculture and management, dairy and poultry management. So we are starting with the dairy section. Now what we always do in the morning when I bring students here, I assign them to different departments. We have dairy, we have the feed management unit, then we have waste management unit, we have a piggery unit, poultry unit, and then fish. Then we also have plants, plantation agriculture, and specifically we are doing bananas. We have 5 students who are carried out research on the effect of fertilizers and herbicides on the growth, on the behavior of earthworms, and then their population behavior, and then their population in the given sample soil. Now, what happens? This is the culturing place. Culturing means we get down from there, partially decompose it for a week to reduce the ammonium rate. So when you apply in the soil, now that's why most farmers who are applying direct manure from the kraals to the garden, these earthworms, they run away from it. They will come later after the ammonium has evaporated. That's when they will come back and decompose. So what happens with this culturing box? We always get manure, composite, or make ammonia evaporate in the first week. Then in the second week we bring it here, and then now this is now ready.
Yes. We make a diagram.
Now, a good agriculturalist is supposed to have these things at hand. Now, this is a pH meter, and this is the EC machine, the electroconductivity machine. Now, this one measures the amount of nutrients or the quantity of carbon that is found in the soil. Now, EC measures what general measures you have enough nutrients in the soil or you don't have. Now, when you look at the pH, this one measures the acidity or the alkalinity of the soil. Now, crops have specific pH. They actively need to grow.